Today at Spotify Camp Nou, the ceramic slat installation is accelerating, the compression ring is pushing into the goal zones, and the lateral diamond is entering its concreting phase. A busy day across every zone with something new to report from every single stop. Here is the full breakdown. Starting at the south goal zone, where vertical slat supports were installed in large numbers overnight. The change from one visit to the next is striking, with the left side section now looking significantly more advanced. Guide wires are being placed between anchors in both the esquadra and false ceiling zones, confirming both levels are being prepared simultaneously. A new compression ring box was also confirmed, lifted and placed in the south goal today. The first with the pillar on the exterior side, confirming the ring has properly entered the goal zone geometry. At the lateral zone, ceramic slat installation in the new corner section is advancing fast. What had around 4 slats yesterday now runs across the full length of the false ceiling zone. A new delivery of slats arrived by truck today, confirming supply is keeping pace. The last slat of the frontal section was confirmed, placed during the visit, closing out that row completely. A new radial beam and pillar were also confirmed, placed in the lateral to north goal corner zone, setting up the next box lift for this area. Both north goal and south goal zones are advancing at matching pace simultaneously. The lateral diamond is also entering a new phase, with formwork now confirmed in place, and workers ensuring panels are tight ahead of an imminent concrete pour. At the north goal corner, multiple elevated platforms were active simultaneously today, working across both the false ceiling and esquadra levels at the same time. Anchor work is confirmed active across the lower section, with guide wires being placed between anchor points in the false ceiling zone. This is the final preparation step before slat installation can begin here. And seeing guide wires going in today is the clearest signal yet that this zone is very close. Painting of the antioxidant primer is also confirmed active in this zone, with workers using both brushes and a spray gun to coat pernos and beam surfaces systematically from top to bottom. The amount of simultaneous work happening in this corner today across painting, anchor alignment, and guide wire placement on multiple levels confirms it is being pushed hard from every angle at once. At the north goal midsection, a worker with a spray gun was applying antioxidant primer to pernos in the upper beam area, with additional supports for the slat framework staged and ready nearby. Workers were also confirmed active drilling directly into the pillar faces in this zone, marking the precise positions for the upcoming slat support attachment points. A small crane was also observed on site in this area, preparing to lift new support pieces into position. All of this happening in the same zone on the same day confirms the north goal midsection is building toward slat installation faster than it has at any point previously. At the tribune zone, sandwich panels are still being installed on the left side nucleus, with a good number of panels staged below, ready for upcoming placement. The right side nucleus has not yet started its panel sequence and remains in preparation. Repair work was also confirmed active on a section of the forjado surface, with workers using a spatula to patch and smooth a damaged area. A small but necessary step before finishing work can continue in this zone. The vertical union supports in the tribune south goal corner are confirmed in place and ready to receive their connecting pieces. Workers were also observed active on the scaffolding in the central tribune section, carrying out alignment and adjustment work on the beam framework. Multiple areas of the tribune were being worked on simultaneously today, and the overall direction here is clearly building toward the next visible phase of slat preparation. That is everything from today. Slat installation accelerating at the lateral. South goal preparation closing in fast, the lateral diamond entering its concrete phase. And the north goal corner painting and guide wire installation both confirmed active, with slats coming very soon. Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe if you have not already. See you next time.